Have you ever wondered why websites are filled with numerous ads? Well, here's an interesting revelation. Those ads can potentially be transformed into a lucrative source of income for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the straightforward concept of turning clicks into cash. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to capitalize on this opportunity. Make sure to stay tuned until the conclusion for all the essential insights. Let's outline the initial steps you'll follow. First, we'll guide you in creating a free account. Subsequently, we'll introduce a method to generate income with minimal effort. The primary website we're exploring is ptcshare.com. To get started, simply enter ptcshare.com into your web browser. Here's what awaits you on the site. PTC Share goes beyond just clicking ads for monetary gains. It provides various avenues to earn cash without any upfront costs. It's impressive that over 710,000 individuals globally have registered, receiving over $590,000 in payouts. Beyond simply clicking ads, there are additional opportunities to earn through surveys and various activities. Withdrawals are hassle-free, allowing you to cash out every day if desired. The site provides tangible evidence of users receiving payments, highlighting those who have earned the most in the past 2 days. By clicking on the Payment Proof button, you can view genuine receipts from individual users, offering solid evidence of successful transactions on PTC Share. This platform supports payments through a variety of methods, including Perfect Money, Payer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, providing flexibility to users with diverse preferences. A crucial feature of this platform is the vigilant monitoring of all transactions, allowing you to keep a transparent record of your orders and financial activities on the platform. Essentially, the enduring framework of PTC Share is based on the generation of genuine revenue originating from real products or services. The focus on continuous income derived from tangible products sets PTC Share apart as a dependable and enduring earning platform, enhancing its credibility in the realm of online income generation. To start your money-earning journey on this platform, the first step is to create an account. Visit the homepage and scroll down to find the section titled Earn Money Online in just a few minutes. Earning with us is a straightforward process. Once there, proceed to register, and upon completion, you'll discover a range of cash ads ready for your attention. As a welcoming gesture, they offer a 100 BAP bonus ad points credited to your account, boosting your capacity to receive more cash ads. While eagerly anticipating these opportunities, enhance your BAP by interacting with advertiser messages, unlocking additional avenues for cash ads. During this time, you can also explore the offer section, revealing various tasks that offer additional earning prospects. Begin your journey by clicking on the Join Us Now button. Then, enter a username, password, and email address. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify your human status. Agree to the terms of service by checking the checkbox and complete the process by clicking the blue Create Account button. Subsequently, a verification email will be sent to the provided email address. Go to your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to confirm and validate your account. Once the verification process is complete, access your account by clicking Login in the top right corner of the website. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to gain entry to your account. The simple process paves the way for your immersive experience on the platform, providing abundant opportunities to earn and explore various avenues for income. Hold your horses. Have you been enjoying this video thus far? If your answer is affirmative, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. As you embark on your journey with PTC Share, a warm welcome awaits you, accompanied by a generous gift of bonus ad points, BAP, to symbolize a gracious initiation. PTC Share sets itself apart from other pay-to-click websites by prioritizing member engagement and commitment, thereby offering a plethora of opportunities for you to boost your earnings. Upon your initial entry into the site, you will come across an informative page providing insights into essential features of PTC Share, along with an overview of your membership status. To continue, just click on the conveniently provided Skip button. This action will guide you to your official dashboard, which may appear a bit intricate initially. No need to worry, as we're here to offer guidance and lead you through the complexities step by step. Your dashboard showcases diverse details, including your balance, points, and other pertinent information. As you scroll down, you'll come across a comprehensive list of tasks and activities. Some tasks are still awaiting completion, while others have already been finished. To kickstart your earning journey, simply click on the Earn button, unveiling a multitude of options to generate income on this platform. The various options for generating income include watching advertisements, engaging with offer walls, taking surveys, earning PTC, paid to click, rewards by watching videos, participating in ClickGrid, and referring friends. While there are various channels available, our main emphasis is on earning through the viewing of advertisements. Let's explore the View Ads section, where you can discover activation advertisements, sponsored ads, and completed offers. Through active participation in these options, you can amass up to 30 BAP or even more, which can subsequently be converted into real cash rewards. Feel free to explore any ads that capture your interest, and you will receive the specified rewards. The greater your interaction with ads and the more offers you complete, the higher your potential earnings can ascend. Ultimately, the ability to boost your income rests in your hands. Another profitable option is ClickGrid, accessible through the Earn tab. Each grid now showcases advertisements. By clicking on a grid, an ad will be displayed, and this cycle continues throughout the entire grid. Successful interactions are signaled when the ads or grids turn red, signifying that you've earned rewards. With ClickGrid, you can engage in a simple game of chance by clicking anywhere on the image, with the possibility of winning up to $10 or receiving 100,000 BAP points directly added to your account balance. Every click will take you to a sponsor site, where you must spend up to 30 seconds viewing the content to find out if you've won. Additionally, you can generate passive income by referring friends. Get your exclusive referral link and distribute it on forums and various social media platforms. By extending your outreach to include family and friends, you'll soon find yourself earning money effortlessly, without the need for active engagement. PTC Share offers a unique opportunity not just for personal earnings, but also the chance to enhance your income through the contributions of others. By following these instructions, you will quickly unlock the potential for significant earnings on this platform immediately after watching the video. That concludes today's video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once more, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.